So probably one of the reasons why I don't feel 100% myself is because of the mess. So I'm gonna just show you guys. So exhibit A, this is just all the clothes I have to sell except this jacket, which is not for sale, but everything else is, you know, stuff on the floor. Just my desk is a mess. And then, you know, stuff on the floor again. So I thought, you know, I would make this video where I would just clean everything up. And I want to find a different solution for the clothes that I have to sell, because I have a bunch of them downstairs as well in our basement and on the clothing rack that I use to film fashion videos. And I'm missing that clothing rack because I also really like it as like a background prop. So I'm gonna have to find a different place for all this clothes that I have to sell. But first of all, I wanna get it cleaned up so that I can feel better about myself and this whole situation. So I think for now, I'm just going to put all this clothes in this closet that I have in my studio, and then we'll see if I can figure out some other place for it to go. It is a little dark, but this is the closet in my studio, and I'm just going to hang up some of the clothes in this closet until we can find a better solution for this. Then I also purchased these like envelopes, ascending envelopes, for when I sell clothes, but you know, we're just gonna keep them up here or not. Like up here. Great. So you guys can tell just from like putting those clothes away, this side of the room feels 100% better. And I also got rid of these shoes. I can't get rid of those because those are my boyfriend's and he just left them here. But now to my desk and this little box on the floor, which is bothering me. So I don't know if you can tell, but it is doing much better. I have my cute little doggo over there, but no shoes. My desk is a lot cleaner. This is about as clean as it's gonna get because I always need my notebook. And then over here, these two things have to go upstairs, and so does this jacket. But guys, it is a lot better. And I've been meaning to do this for a few days, but I wanted to vlog it. And yeah, I feel a lot better. This is what me looks like today. But now I just am going to make myself some lunch. And I'm going to continue, you know, on the vlogging, editing, uploading spree. I have quite a few things to edit. But first, we're gonna go make some lunch because I am a little bit hungry. I'm going to make myself some lettuce chicken wraps. So it is pretty simple, you guys. So I have these little mini wraps and I do 2 of them. I have my toaster grill situation warming up, heating up, so I can put my wraps inside. My little tortilla wrap. You know, switching between Portuguese and English is interesting because in Portuguese we would say wraps, but in English I guess it's tortilla wraps. So I put my little tortilla wrap in there, and then it only takes a few seconds. Put some lettuce in, and then I have my chicken over here. So this is the final product, and then sometimes I put like chips on the side, but it is so good, you guys.